Let's explore which one is better, Moomoo, Webull, or Robinhood. So, let's begin. Okay, so Moomoo is an investment platform that offers commission-free trading for stocks, options, and ETFs. It also provides access to real-time market data, research tools, and a variety of investment opportunities. Now, users can trade both on mobile devices and desktop platforms, and Moomoo often provides educational services or resources for investors, making it appealing for beginners and experienced traders alike. So it also provides access to real-time market data, research tools, and variety of investment opportunities. Now, if there's something specific you'd like to know about Moomoo, all you're gonna do is go here at their website. This is the perfect time for you to sign up. But they come with a different packages and rates and fees and some insights. So I suggest you might want to check that here. All you're gonna do is open an account. Alright, terms and conditions and apply. When we click on open an account, all you're gonna do is provide a business or working email and a phone number. All right. You can also log in using your Facebook account, your Apple account, your Google account. Okay. The next contender would be Webull. It is another commission-free trading platform that offers stock, ETF, and options trading. It provides advanced tools and features for traders such as technical indicators, research analysis, and customizable interface, because Webull also offers extended trading hours compared to traditional markets. Additionally, it provides a paper trading feature that allows users to practice without risking real money. Overall, Webull aims to cater to both beginners and experienced traders by providing a comprehensive set of tools and resources. And if you're considering using Webull for trading or investing, all you're gonna do is go to their website, webull.com, and you might want to check the market support and promotion and even pricing if Webull is for you. Now, if you want to invest with Webull, all simply go down below where you can check the sign up registration. And our last contender is gonna be Robinhood. It is a popular commission-free trading platform that gains significant attention for its user-friendly interface and accessibility to trading stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Now, it's designed to be simple and intuitive, appealing especially to beginners in investing, because the platform itself initially gained traction for its mission to democratize finance by offering commission-free trades, making investing more accessible to a broader audience. But as of right now, you have to be aware that Robinhood faced scrutiny and controversy at times due to its issues such as service outages during high trading volumes and its business model. Right? Nevertheless, it's a widely used platform, especially among those who appreciate its easy-to-use interface and zero commission structure. Now, if you want more information about Robinhood, all you're gonna do is check their website. You can simply click this button right here to start earning. When you click on that, you will be directed to a new page wherein you need to log in using your email and your strong password. Now, if you ask me, choosing between Moomoo, Webull, and Robinhood depends on your preferences, trading style, and the features that matters to you most, okay? Because you have to consider the trading platform, the account minimums and fees, research and tools, and of course, some mobile app experience, if it's user-friendly in mobile apps, if it's suitable for trading on the go, and if the interfaces may vary slightly because sometimes they aim for simplicity and ease of use, or it's gonna be complicated. You have to take that in consideration. And of course, customer support and security, right? Because most of these platforms provides customer support and implement security features like two-factor authentication, and of course to protect user data, right? And ultimately, the best platform depends again on your individual preferences, the type of trading you intend to do, and the markets you want to access, and of course the features that matters to you most. Is it being handy, the mobile app experience? Is it the research tools such as fees and also customer support? So it's advisable to research further considering your trading goals, and possibly, you know what, you might want to try out demo accounts if that is available for Moomoo, for Webull, or for Robinhood, to see which platforms aligns best with their needs. You can test waters if you wanted. And the customer support are willing to give you some demonstration about these platforms and services. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.